It is Tony DeFrank with California Car Cover. This is the latest installment of covering classic cars. And today I'm at Camisasca Manufacturing in Lake Forest. I'm here with Colin Camisasca, the Vice President of the company. So tell us what you're doing here at Camisasca. Okay, you're manufacturing premium license plate frames, automotive badging, valve stem caps, and you're doing it right because it's successful. You're doing it here in Southern California. But then a lot of our customers might not exactly know the Camisasca brand, but if you've bought a car in the last 30 years, odds are your car from the dealership or the frame that you purchased at the dealership, you know you should have bought it at California Car Cover. Odds are that frame was a Camisasca frame. So your slimline frames, your polished stainless, odds are it's a good chance. You work, I believe you mentioned to me before, like 40 different automotive manufacturers carry your plates.
Yeah, 40 different OEMs, internationally actually, carry our accessories. And we've always been sort of the best kept secret in the marketplace. We've done a lot of private labeling for the vehicle manufacturers. The big benefit of that, of course, is working with them through the course of building that relationship with their engineering teams, their sales teams. We've really honed in on a quality product. We have something that meets all of their exterior applications. Now, moving into the new generation, as we begin our next phase in the growth of the company, is really developing our own brand and working with quality brands like California Car Cover to make it more build our brand awareness so that people understand what quality stands behind our name, who's been doing this so long for the OEMs, and that it's available through other retail outlets, and that same quality standard, whether it be for Porsche Cars North America or California Car Cover, is coming from Camisasca Automotive.
Well, I don't think people want to hear us drawn on too much. This just you and I sitting in the conference room talking about your products. But there's some incredible manufacturing processes that Colin has been so kind to let us see. What he'll let us see, but there's some incredible things that they're doing here, and we're looking forward to kind of showing you some of the things they do behind the scenes to show you how they're doing manufacturing right in Southern California. So your frames aren't polished by hand, but you got a couple of these robots that are actually making sure it's precise and exact on every single one.
Exactly. Yeah, we grew everything by hand, and unfortunately, in the age of the business, we grew, and we got to the point that we couldn't keep up by hand, and we started to recognize the fact that we needed to bring in robotics. And then on the flip side of bringing in the robots, we recognized there was opportunity for consistency. Human polisher at the beginning could do a better job because he could look at where maybe this corner needed more pressure or this corner didn't, and he could adjust for that. Where the robot didn't have a vision system. The problem was a human naturally does this throughout production.
The robot doesn't get tired.
The robot doesn't get tired. He does the same job every time. So actually, over the last 5 or 6 years, we've been developing our robotic cells. Now we're able to produce a better quality part because of the robot.
Like a one-stop shop is one of the coolest things we saw when we did our walkthrough was this machine right here that's making all of your logo valve stem caps.
That's correct.
So pretty much the valve stems go in blank, run through the machine, get a logo, and then when it's done, it comes out and it's already packaged by the time it's done in the process.
That's correct. Yeah.
And how long does the process take?
It takes about a minute from start to finish, but we can do about 1,000 sets a day on a standard 8-hour shift. So what you see here is really taking all of those components and putting them all into the valve stem, loading the graphic welder, loading it into the packaging, and spitting out a fully packaged part. So this one, for instance, is super.
Since we've been here, this has been all.
That was probably
dropped. Yeah, so but pretty much that's like dropped, printed, packaged, and ready to go. Have to ship to you and your customers.
That's exactly. And then
So we're here at the end of the line, and so since we've been going through the process, Colin and his team were nice enough to come up with some cool custom California car cover, the laser etched license plate frame.
You know you couldn't get out of here without something cool.
Hey, I don't say no to anything free. So I really appreciate the time, so I'll take it. That's pretty cool. So while we're here, they're making this up. That's just one of the custom options that the Camisasca does for a lot of their great customers. So I really appreciate that. And yeah, thank you so much for the time today.
No, thank you, Tony, and we appreciate our partnership with California Car Cover. Of course, all of our quality accessories are available for you folks, and we look forward to many, many more years of happy supply and keeping all of your customers happy as well. And we welcome the opportunity to continue working together. And anytime you guys are interested in what we do here at Camisasca Automotive, please look us up. We're definitely excited to be part of the automotive industry.
Yeah.